Hot new cloud-based app go into a fully formatted blog post in 60 seconds. The solution to all your content creation problems. Great app. Solid support and communication. Recommended for all skill levels. The smart blogger's dream comes true. Hey there. If you've ever wanted to build a near-passive business powered by content marketing, or create a lead gen model that doesn't rely on Facebook ads, or built a wide net where you can grab the attention of thousands of prospects every day, keep reading. See, I was always told that content marketing is the foundation of building a solid business. But since I am not a native English speaker myself, I needed a shortcut. Now, early on, I didn't have ambitious goals. It's not that I wanted to build the next Forbes. Instead, I wanted to start content machines in my business that would generate traffic and sales even when other opportunities failed. But doing that isn't easy, especially when you are trying to rank on page number 1 of Google consistently. Because that's when the traffic starts coming in. Great, content is king. Agree that content is king. And, if you don't have great content, you shouldn't even try to rank on Google or any other search engine. Because great content is the biggest factor when it comes to getting high search engine ranking. But hey, you don't need just any content, you need high quality, human-readable and Google-friendly content. Now, there are 3 ways to get that kind of content. The thing is, all of those come with their own problems. Writing content yourself is perhaps the most effective and inexpensive way of going about it. Provided that you're good at writing compelling content, and can write in fluent English with good vocabulary, and without making a lot of grammatical mistakes. And even if you can do that, writing content yourself will take a lot of your time. Reading, researching, writing, proofreading and then refining your final work. All of this is painstakingly time-consuming. Doing that once or twice is fine, but over and over again? Nah. Not easy. You'll actually lose motivation to write. I know it because I have been there. I have set up so many WordPress blogs, but after writing 4 to 5 posts, I run out of motivation and those blogs sit there without making any money. Which means that writing yourself isn't the right long-term solution. Now with that out of the question, you decide to hire a ghost writer to write for your blog. Depending on your luck, and how much you're willing to pay, you may get high quality, superb vocabulary and even Google-friendly content. But it won't be very friendly on your pocket. How do I know this? I went to the cheapest platform known to man, Fiverr. And I ordered 20 articles over a period of 2 months. It cost me $250 plus. I'll be honest, the content was not stellar. Plus, it ended up costing a bit more than what you'd expect to pay on a platform that is called Fiverr. Now, again, this was all back in 2016, right now, it would cost you around. So, let's solve a quick math problem. You're just 3 clicks away from high-quality content that ranks on Google. This is to content marketing what Bohemian Rhapsody is to music. Something that is easy, and timeless. Content Gorilla is unbelievably easy to use. I say this being a non-techie, and very close to 70 years old. Smile with this tool, I'm able to find the best YouTube videos, and within minutes turn them into a blog post. I highly recommend Content Gorilla to all bloggers. Any decent content creation platform must have these key features. Quick search and create content in 105 languages. Deep search filters sort results by relevance, views or videos with Creative Commons license. Quick convert any YouTube video into a blog post in seconds. Correct grammar mistakes, 1-click correct of any grammar mistakes in the extracted content. Content Spinner. Built-in Content Spinner creates a unique, readable variation of content every time. This has been built specifically for Content Gorilla users with closed captions in mind. Auto images. Image related to your keyword search gets automatically added to your content. And of course, you can add as many images as you want. Just drag and drop. Featured image. The YouTube video thumbnail automatically gets set as the featured image of your post. You can edit that and put your own in. Post tags. Tags fetched from the video are converted and added as post tags to help your content to rank higher on Google. Bulk posts. Create up to 10 posts instantly or drip feeds them at the required interval. Multi-publish. Publish the same post to multiple blogs at a time. Article Rewriter. Specifically developed for Content Gorilla, with this module, you can rewrite any piece of content simply by pasting it in. We made Content Gorilla for everyone who wants to build a hands-off traffic machine. With Content Gorilla you can create content in the 105 YouTube-supported languages. We work with even left to right, instantly integrate with WordPress with our lightweight plugin that accompanies web-based Content Gorilla. Bonus number 1 Live Workshop will share exactly how we do it, and how you can duplicate this, of course, powered with Content Gorilla. Bonus number 2 How to build a self-hosted WordPress website from scratch, over the weekend without writing any. It's time to completely automate. Choose the plan that suits you best. Simple and fair pricing everyone can afford. The link in the description.